After successfully installing Tableau into your computer, open the software and you will be directed into this welcome screen. In the welcome screen, we have 3 panels. The first panel helps you to import data into Tableau. The second panel shows you your existing Tableau files, and the third and final panel gives you opportunity to read into Tableau's blog and notification. Under the first panel, you can select the data source you intend to import your data from. The data source can be either a file in your computer or an online source. Alternatively, you can open a file that you have already started working on by clicking on any of the existing file at the center panel. Finally, you can go directly into Tableau web page and read any information that you pleases. Let's go directly and open a new Tableau worksheet by clicking on here. If you like, you can also use the menu tab, the menu bar. If you like, you can also use the menu bar to select other services such as updating and setting your preferences. You can also open a new workbook. A new Tableau workbook looks like this, and at the top we have the menu bars, under which we can select whatever we want to do, such as creating a new worksheet, creating a new dashboard, new story, analyzing data, creating maps, formatting, and connecting to the server. We also have a toolbar that appears along this line. This is easy access to actions or commands that we would like to access faster. Then this is the data panel. The variables of our data appears under this, and the tables we have created appears down here. Under analytics, we have all the things we have created, such as models and analysis we have performed on our data. This panel shows pages. This shows filter we have implemented in our data, and this is called the cards, where we can select which value to show the color, size, and this is our worksheet. Note that we can have several worksheets, and this is where we place the columns and rows variables. Under this, we select the type of visualization we'd like to use in our analysis. Now that we can create a new sheet or a new dashboard or a new story. This looks better when data is connected. We'll review this later after importing a data set for better understanding.